So let's review. This is like review because you've done it before. All right, here we go. Number 49. You guys ready? X minus 16 is greater than or equal to negative 7. Okay, what do we do? Plus 16. Cancel. X is greater than or equal to, what's negative 7 plus 16? 9. Open or close? Close. It's closed, Diana. Look, see how there's equal? That makes it close. Okay, now read the letter. Eric, X is what? Greater than or less than? Look, is this big or little? This right here, is this big or little? Is it big or little? Big. Big is greater than. So you say X is greater than, say greater than 9. Greater than 9. Which way is greater than? Left or right? Very good. Okay, read the letters first. Good. You're doing good. See how right here? Look, Eric. See how this is big? That's small. That's big. See how big is next to the letter. Okay? All right. Number 50. Okay. Negative 5 plus k is less than or equal to negative 22. How do we do this one? Plus 5. Plus 5. Oh, you are so good. K is less than or equal to 17. Good girl. All right. Open or close? Close. Close. Very good. Now, Brian, read. K is what? He. That's a he. Okay, he. That's a he, not a she. K is less than. Which way is less than? Left or right? Left. Okay, left. Very good. Okay? You guys are doing good. Number 51. X divided by 20 is greater than negative 14. Okay, what do we do? Multiply what? 20. Cancel. Don't change your sign. So, what is negative 14 times 20? 280? All right. Open or close? Open. There's no equal. It's open. See no equal? All right. Now read. X is what? More than. See how it's bigger? Which way is more than? Which way is more than? To the right. More than to the right. Okay. Okay, number 52. You guys are doing good. X divided by 2 is greater than 10. Okay? What do we do? By what? By 2. Multiplied by 2. Oops. Cancel. X. Keep your sign. 10 times 2 is 20. Open or close at 20? Open. Okay. Read. X is what? Greater than 20. Which way is greater than? To the right. Am I going too fast? You okay? See how this is greater than? Big, greater than. Next to the letter. Whatever's next to the letter. Okay? All right. Okay. Melissa, I want you to do 53. Okay? I'll help you. X minus 13 is less than or equal to negative 29. Okay? Melissa, what do we do? Very good. Plus 13. So X is less than or equal to negative 29 plus 13 is? Negative 16. Very good. Now, Melissa, see how there's an equal? Open or close? close. Very good. All right. Now read the letters first. X is what? Less than. See how small? See how it's next to the letter is small? If it was like this, it would be bigger. So X is less than negative 16. Which way is less than? Left. Very good. Good job. Okay. Now, Melissa, if it was like this, you see how this side's bigger? See this right here? Then you would say X is greater than. But when X is next to this one, you say X is less than. So read the letters first, okay? And that'll help you a lot. All right. Okay. Number 54. All right. Negative 4 times A is greater than 32. Iris, what do I do? Huh? Not plus 4. This is negative 4 times A. This is negative 4 times A is greater than 32. So what's opposite of multiply? Divide. Very good. So divide by negative 4. Now, guys, pay attention to this one. You are dividing by what? A negative. When you divide by a negative, what do? You flip or change the sign. Okay? You either flip or change the sign. All right. Cancel. So A, instead of greater than, it becomes less than. Do you guys see the change? Only if it's multiply or divide by negative. Okay? So what's 32 divided by negative 4? Negative 8. So we're going to go to negative 8. Open or close? Open. Okay. Now, Brian, your turn to read. A is what? Less than. See how small? Next to the letter. Which way is less than? A is less than negative 8. Which way is less than? To the left. Very good. Good job. See how smaller next to the letter makes it less than. Okay? You guys good. Number 55. By the way, I won't give you this many problems on your test, okay? There's just a few. Okay, number 55. 12 plus x is less than or equal to 3. What do? Negative what? Negative 12. All right, what is 3 minus 12? 9. Negative 9. Very good. All right. Open or close? Close. Okay. Now, Melissa, you ready to read? I'm going to let you read this one, okay? You ready? X is less than. See how small? Look, honey. See how small? Small. Less than or equal to negative 9. Which way is less than? Left. Very good. Okay. I'm going to do something real quick. Okay. You ready? Okay. Guys, I'm going to do this real quick just to make sure. Okay. X. Do you guys see how it's next to the big one? See how it's next to the big right here? Do you guys see that? That means it is greater than. See how your letters are next to the big one? Okay. If your letter is next to the small n, see how it's smaller? See how this one's smaller? This one is less than. So whatever it's next to, the letter next to, okay? So if it's next to the big one, you say greater than. So write this down in your notes. If it's smaller, but it also depends on if the letter comes first or the letter comes second. So that's why it's good to read it. Now, look at this. Do you guys see how the sign right here is different? Okay. But look at where your X is. It's next to the bigger part. So this will make it greater than. Did you guys see that part? They're different, but read the letters first. All right? Now, look what it's next to. Is that greater than or less than? Less than, see, because it's smaller. So whatever the letter is next to, that would be the easiest way to do it, okay? Because sometimes the sign will flip depending if your X comes first or your X comes last. It's just rain. You're not gonna melt. It's just rain. Aqua. Okay. Yeah. 56. Let's look at 56. Let's try 56. You're smarty pants. V minus 5 is less than 14. That's funny. That's funny. Learn English. I've already speak Spanish. That's funny. Okay. All right. Solve. What do you do? Plus 5. Plus 5. All right. 19. Open or close? Open. Okay, now do you see the letter? V is what? Norberto, don't say. V is what? Less than. You got it. You understand now? Huh? I said don't speak. Because I wanted her to answer. I wanted Melissa to answer.
You told me shut up.
I did not. I said don't speak. I didn't say that S word. Okay. I said don't speak. Does that make a little bit more sense, Melissa and Brian and that? You see that? So whatever the letter's next to. Good job. All right.